It took me 45 seconds to sign this petition down here for Marvin Fyah. Yeah? And you know why I signed it, guys? You guys still don't understand the bigger picture what's going on. All you guys are seeing is JLP and PNP. Yeah? That is the division between Jamaica. That is what's dividing Jamaica. Yeah? Back in the 70s and 80s when my dad and them lot used to canvass for politics. Yeah? We're next to a neighbor. Him and him are best friend throughout the whole year. And as soon as politics time come, them are a friend again. Yeah? And then when election done, them are friend again. But you see, that's what people see. You see in England, if we had a government that was running like how Andrew Holness is running Jamaica right now, it would have gone a long time. If you know about English politics, think about how much prime minister just disappear. If them now do the job properly, you them disappear. Name me one prime minister in Jamaica that's acting as how Andrew is acting now. You remember back in the days when Manly when money start run, roads start get fixed, you know? All monies that was earned, you can actually see going into the Caribbean. Now you have I don't want to say it on TikTok, yeah? Which admits that he's got so much money from the UK and other countries. Yeah? And he has no proof of what he's done with it. More than, oh, make it some to the army and make it some to them. Listen to me. If that government was anywhere else, it would have gone. But you see, some are only Jamaican, some are only Jamaican who don't want to sign that petition. You don't like changes. And why wouldn't you want changes? What does Marvin promote? Tell me, guys. Have you seen anything that this guy promotes that's not beneficial to poor people in Jamaica and everybody in Jamaica? Yeah? You hear him cuss out and yeah, people say him shout. That is Marvin. That's how him talk. Yeah? And one little idiot, little, hey girl. But Marvin, all them signature them come from pure gunman and that. Move with yourself with your negativeness. But you don't know how him get them vote there. And the rest of them, you see, if Jamaica start get sense, they would have realized everything that come out of Marvin's mouth is positive. Everything. All he asks for is change. He wants accountabilities for certain things. Not just the Melissa money. And guys, listen to me now, right? How much parishes are in Jamaica? Yeah? And we have some of the main hospitals like KPH and UC and all people we don't even remember, yeah? Ask yourself, as a big hospital that's supposed to be saving lives in Jamaica, how many active ambulance have they got? Guys, tag me in the thing below and let me know, yeah? How many active ambulance? So it means if your family dead up in a St. Andrew or way up in a Mavis Bank, I don't know, way up in the hills somewhere, there's no ambulance coming for you because they haven't got any. And you have a government that is holding on such a substantial amount of money and don't want to do that for Jamaican people. And he call himself a prime minister. Number 3, the police then without a body cam and come put out one little statement. Oh yeah, we're going to put some body cam on. We know all that's going to be negative. Because if them body cam there is not linked to cloud or linked to Indicom cloud, everything will get deleted because you're corrupt, brethren. And if you're not corrupt, why is there no accountability for all that money have you got? What have you done with it? So much things needed to be done in Jamaica. What has been done with it? There's still people living under Chaparlin. Go check out Marvin Fyah things. And yes, he's a content creator, but everything that he's proposing to you guys, it's showing you changes. But you guys so blind and make this man is just giving you pure rubbish. He comes out, he canvassing, walk up on the street, them are, oh yeah, Mr. Andrew Wallace, they are rare. We are drink white rum. And him gone again. But when one of the family member did, realize that there's no ambulance in there, the hospital, them to come for them. That's what the government will not vote for. Somebody that's, everything about him is hidden. Everything about that government is hidden. And the corruption. And the corrupted police, them were him low for under him skin. Yes? Remember, guys, I put my affidavit up there. So, listen to me, there's many good police officers in Jamaica, many, guys, many. We're not hearing about them. We're not hearing about them. All we are hearing about the trigger happy people was keep unaliving people for no reason. And then your prime minister come on. Oh, he come on about Buju, innit? The girl will get shot because what? Because him there one picture with her. What, you think just coming on to 1 out of 120 something deaths in Jamaica in the last year, just one, you think that can redeem you? Or that can redeem you? It can't, Mr. Wellness. Somebody like you need to leave other people and make other people do the job properly. And anybody that can think I'm not taking sense, then you don't want changes. Why would you sit and let this happen? Why wouldn't you listen to Marvin and sign this petition? Why wouldn't you show Jamaica that there's a possibility of a change? Is it going to be always this way? Yeah? All the tourists from every other country. Is that how it's going to be? They're going to look at Jamaica like that. Jamaican people fear even a traffic stop. They fear their life. That could never happen in the UK. You don't have to fear no life here. Yeah? UK police, even if you come out of the car and run, UK police will come out of the car and they're going to chase you. And they're going to chase you and chase you and chase you. When they can't find you, they're going to send dog for you. What's the first thing Jamaican do? Jamaican police they learn to run from town up to Catherine Peak. What all that running was for? A waste of time that because none of them now chase none of the criminal. The first thing they take out them gun and alive somebody. And every single evidence that get fined in Jamaica, every single body that get unalive in Jamaica, there's always some excuse of why and where. Load of rubbish. That's not a police system. A clean police system. Half of them acting clean, the other half dirty. And when they unalive somebody, they can come back to a job tomorrow. They can come back tomorrow and stop another person. With that same mindset and same attitude, they could unalive somebody else again and that person still gonna have a job tomorrow. That's not how law system's supposed to work. It don't matter what position you are, Jamaica, police, soldier, normal citizen, and you kill somebody, there's supposed to be a penalty for that. Yeah? So when you hear Marvin cuss off sometime and cuss, you hear him say the dirty, corrupt one, them, you know, because him know there's clean officers around, you know. Whole heap of clean officers work with him, you know. Yeah? But the dirty one, them. And anyone who wanna look at me and say, what am I talking about? I want to tell you something. Because you can come out every day and earn money off of some dirty government who are protect you know. Yeah? I want to find a way to get the UK or the US CIA if they come down there and start do some serious take over the whole of equipment them and start clean up somehow, you know. Yeah? And your government are the part of that. The chief of commander, him, Andrew, nobody else. The one who hide all the money and hide everything from him. Come out the other day about people must learn not to resist arrest. Is that the best you can? Listen me, some of the Jamaican fool in a bedroom. People like Lisa Anna, nice Lisa Anna talk out. Sometimes people don't even listen. And them kind of people that's supposed to run the country. No, look at red skin, grey eye. I wish mine come from. Am I really yo, I must Trump cousin in a bedroom coming in at the wrong thing. But guys, Marvin Fyah guys is talking sense to you. If you listen. When something happen in Jamaica, the quick one never run off on the mouth and rare. And when something comes like this here to do, fail to sign it. And then enough people talking about when the police are out doing their job, enough people must shut up and do them things. So when them see a police box on a youth for nothing, they don't say nothing at all. And who know me I talk about here? I want to sort out to the government and listen when Marvin Fyah talk to no. And don't take it as no offense. The guy is projecting pure positivity for Jamaica. Nothing about him is negative that I can find. More than I shout. And you see me I shout too. Come here try get it out too no. You see the link down there? I'm going to put a link in the box as well. I don't care if nobody don't sign it, but I speak my mind. Come here talk to the fool one them who are going to make this man ruin the whole of Jamaica. It's going to turn lawless. Now foreigner now go on come down there. And you think it's only me in the UK that can see this. Every other country's got the eye on Jamaica. I don't want to sort out to the Prime Minister. I don't care. No apologies, Mr. Wellness. Because you're not doing what you have to do. You're not doing what you have to do. Marvin Fyah, big up yourself.